Thoughts on courts shutting down tariffs? Well, it's a particular kind of court. It's the same answer I have to all these other fucking judges. Like I think at least one of the judges on that court was a Reagan appointee, and one was an Obama appointee, and one was a Trump appointee. There's been multiple Trump appointees that have ruled against him. These fucking idiots, dude, they keep trying to sign like if you're president, you cannot just say and do whatever you want. I mean, you could say whatever you want, but you cannot just do whatever you want, nor can you just command the government to do whatever you want. You have to do it within the confines of what the law allows. And what these jackoffs keep doing, again, they're getting routinely shut down. Oh, it's Obama activist judges. Motherfucker, it's routinely his own judges, the Supreme Court and other ones, who are looking at this shit and being like, this is clearly beyond the constitutional limits of the authority that he has. Yeah, of course we cannot allow it. And then Stephen Miller gets on there and is like, this is activist judges coup. No, you bitches are trying to do illegal shit. The judges are looking at it and being like, yeah, fucking obviously illegal. And then they're claiming that like they're being hamstrung about it. You're not being hamstrung about shit. You're just breaking the law and then daring the judiciary to stop you. And then when they do, oh, here we go. You know, we've got these activist Marxist judges. No, they just suck at governing. Just suck at governing. If you can't maintain the law, even on a basic day-to-day level across different arms of the federal government, in order to accomplish your agenda, you fucking suck at it. I don't know how hard this is to understand. This is very, very simple. They're not saying, oh, well, you know what? I don't like this, executive order. There's not a question of like, are they a fan of the policy? They're being sued because there's insane overreach that has no statutory authority whatsoever. Like, what is this commissioner or this member of the government in this role? What are they legally allowed to do? And by the way, they have significant latitude. Hello, they run the federal government, but they can't even maintain that. They're going well beyond that. Why do you think they want to get rid of habeas corpus? Because they see laws, or beyond that, norms too, but they see laws that put limits on their ability to exact their agenda as what? As confrontational. Dude, the idea that undermines habeas corpus, it goes back to the fucking Magna Carta. It is foundational between citizen and government. I mean, what the fuck are we talking about here? Oh, those are only for, only Americans get due process. Dude, this is how fucking stupid and incoherent this government is. And this is why they're losing in courts all the time. Consider Marco Rubio, right? We're going to put people in prison. We'll see if they get to prison. We're going to detain people and try to either deport them or imprison them, jail them for speech offenses, right? Which is what they claimed, Ozturk and others have done, right? Khalil be another one. Then he gets out yesterday and says what? If any foreign government censors through social media an American, we're going to deny their visa. It's like, that's exactly what you're doing here. You're like, Ozturk is a citizen of Turkey and has a visa here or whatever. You're literally doing the thing that you're now saying you're going to revoke visas. These are incoherent fucking power-hungry authoritarians, dude. This is fucking obvious. They just want to be able to do whatever the fuck they want to do, and they keep daring the courts to stop them. And then, oh, look at these activist courts. It's fucking Trump judges half the time. Half the fucking time. Like this notion that like the Obama judges are the ones that are overturning everything and the Trump ones are the ones upholding. No, not true. Not true even a fucking little bit. It's insane. It's insane. Govern within the or change the fucking rules. Change the fucking rules, which is also a legislative process. You have to commit to a legislative process, but they don't want to do that. They just want to sign a fucking pen and be like, well, this is now the law. It doesn't fucking work that way. It's never worked that way. It's not going to work if there is a next guy. It's not going to work for him or the one after that or the one after that, unless the whole thing just goes crashing down. But that's not the way this shit works. So what do I think about the specialized court in reference to the tariff? He doesn't have, no president does, unilateral authority to engage in this kind of vast tariffing. It doesn't exist within their powers. That is clearly an enumerated power of Congress. Fucking period. Like, this is 101 shit. And it's all obviously in service of trying to now, God only knows what they're going to try and do to the judiciary, right? They're going to try and fuck with it. Like, that's obviously the next level here. They want you to believe that what's actually happening is they just can't do anything because these damn old Trump-appointed activist judges won't let us do that. That's what they want you to believe. So then they can just undermine habeas corpus, so they can undermine various forms of the judiciary at the federal level, all of that. That's clearly what's the setup here.